feel like I'm losing my
I'm probably going to get a puncher. I want to be pushing this bike home. The flat tire.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change the fork oil in your Fastace forks on your e-bike. It's a pretty simple job which only requires a few tools that you have laying around. This is the oil I use, the Motel Fork Oil 10W. Seems to work okay. First thing you need to do is remove your front wheel. Right, I've got that wheel off. Next stage is you want to loosen this Allen key bolt on both sides. Just back that one off a little bit. Now if you're like me and brought the wrong tool to undo this, I just use these. Make sure you do both sides. Crack them a little bit. Next step, on this side you would have to take off your brake caliper and then undo these two, and that will just release, or obviously cut this tyre, and that will release this fork leg. Once they're all backed off, just slide the fork leg out. Just undo your top, pull it up a little bit and pour your oil out into your jug. Try not to spill much. Should be 110 ml on this side. But you can see I've lost a lot of oil. So that side is 110. I think that is your spring side. So I'll chuck 110 in the container here. Yeah. And now it's just simply reverse the process. One important step when you're putting the fork leg back on is not to forget to put this back on. I have done it and it is a pain, because I didn't notice till I was at the very end. So don't forget to put that sucker back on. Do up first. Get them nice and tight, then do that up, your top cap, and then do that Allen key up. If you do this up first, it will pinch the tube and you won't be able to get this tight enough. Now that fork leg's back on, start the process with this side. Got the other leg off. As you can see, I've scratched it. It only leaks when I tie the bike down in the back of the ute. Otherwise, it's actually not too bad. I do need to upgrade forks. I'm just not too sure whether I'll go another set of Fastace or that Floxer. I'm not too sure yet which way I'll go, but in this leg it should be 280 mil. As you see, this side's a bit better. I haven't lost any oil. Even with those scratches, I haven't lost any oil, which is great. Get that poured in. Got that back together. This is only hand tight. We don't tighten that down till it's inside the full, inside the triple crown. Again, don't forget to put your little rubber bit grommet back on. Now we'll do up these two bolts, do up your top cap, and then do up that last one. So I've got that fork all sorted. Now just throw the wheel back on and we're ready to ride. As you can see, it is a pretty simple job. It doesn't take long and doesn't cost a lot of money. If you like this video or found it helpful, give us a like, comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.